constantly writing the future. The future, to us, isn't constrained by today's limitations. It is set free by our imaginations. It is driven by our impulse to go against, to defy, the opinions of naysayers, the grasp of imitators. We set a foundation that became our legacy. Defined by strength, we forged forward. We learned that risk excites us, that boldness not only sets us apart, but also sets apart the ones who choose us. You are the forward thinkers. You are the wild ones. When we push your limits, you push back, demanding more. More performance.
Analyze road conditions.
More exhilaration.
Current road conditions are excellent.
More thrills.
Switch to high performance mode.
We set our target on the unimaginable. Then we set ourselves loose and turn the unrealistic into reality.
Upright mode.
Upright mode engaged.
Ask us why, and the answer will always remain the same. Passion.
Attack mode.
Attack mode engaged.
Passion thrives in the way we see the future. Reason can't restrict it. Technology can't replace it. Passion strengthens our ability to take the ride of your life and elevate it to new heights.